This is the black wooden bathroom storage basket. It is made out of wood, so it's a little bit heavier and sturdier basket. The outside of the basket measures 13.5 inches by almost 6.5 inches, and the height is 4 inches. Because there is a nice thick outside, the inside of the basket measures almost 12.5 inches by almost 5.5 inches on the inside. For the bathroom, it can hold 3 large rolls of toilet paper. You can also use it to hold 2 rolls and some lotion or bathroom deodorizer. If you're looking for organization in other areas of your home, this basket is perfect for your office or for your kitchen. You can easily store some prepackaged snacks in there so they're ready to go. Overall, this is a great storage basket to be used anywhere.